How many action items has your team lost in a chat thread somewhere this week? Someone says, can we update this landing page copy? And 3 people thumbs it up. And then Monday comes around and everybody completely forgot. This isn't your fault or theirs. This happens because chat apps are made for conversation, not for accountability. But what if every message that contained an action item could become a task in one click? That is exactly what we are setting up today. I'm going to show you the 3 ClickUp Chat features that you can use to go from conversations to tracked completed work. And I promise you, it is much easier than you think. Now, before we jump into the solutions, let's get clear on the problem. This message is a perfect example. I tagged Charles and shared an action item that I needed for him to complete. He reacted to the message, and we continue to have a conversation in the thread, sharing context around everything he would need to be successful in this action item. And for most teams, this is where the friction becomes far too great. Someone will raise an idea or give some input, and there will be an agreement, an acknowledgement between members of the team. But when they actually need to go into tracking the task, creating it, adding an assignee, adding the due date, and remembering to add all of the context from that conversation, usually that is where we begin to walk down the path of that task being forgotten. Lucky for us, ClickUp has 3 really solid ways of ensuring that not only is that friction completely gone for our team, but that the context that's relevant to the task always stays connected. The first is going to be assigned comments. I personally use assigned comments anytime someone needs to know and acknowledge something, but it might not be an action that they need to take. The second is AI task creation, and this is my team's favorite feature. We use it all the time for anything that is an action that needs to be taken and has some associated context. And the third is relationships. This is something that is included in AI task creation and always created, but it ensures that a task and the conversation or thread that supports that task always remain connected. Now let's walk through what each of these looks like in practice. We'll start with assigned comments because they solve for a situation I'm pretty sure you run into every single day. Now, if we look at this message, I sent a video over to Kurt and let him know, hey, I'm sharing this video over for some context. Make sure that you watch it. Let me know what questions that you have. And this is an example of one of those things that does need to be acknowledged, potentially needs some input, but isn't robust enough to actually require the creation of a task. But when you get the notification of this message because you were tagged in it, it may not be one of the more pressing matters in your inbox. So it's very likely that you'll dismiss the notification and this will completely go forgotten. So ClickUp solves for this through the use of assigned comments. And I'll show you how you can assign a comment to your team and what it looks like when a comment is assigned to you. We're going to use an example comment here, and I'm going to use / to go ahead and open my action bar here. And I'm going to type assign comment. And I'm going to go ahead and assign this to Kurt as an example. Now, when I post this message, you'll see that this comment is now assigned to Kurt, and there's a checkbox here to resolve. I can also open this up to see all of those details here. Now, there are 2 people that could resolve this comment. I'm one of them because I assigned it to Kurt, and the other is Kurt because it is assigned to him. I'm going to go ahead and assign this to myself so you can see what it looks like when you have something assigned to you. The first thing you'll notice is that over in the top right, you now see my face with this bright pink number above it. And this is a hot sign that I have comments that are assigned to me. And when I open this up, I can see exactly what that comment is. When I select that comment, it'll open up a bit of a mini modal showing the assignee and giving me the option to add it to a particular list or to reply directly in the thread. You'll also see that there's a resolved section here where I can see any resolved messages that have already been resolved. We will resolve that one and you'll see it pop up here, giving me the option to reopen as well. One other thing that is great about assigned messages or assigned comments is that they do appear in a dedicated section of your home screen. So if you open up your home screen, you'll see in the sidebar that you have an assigned comment section, and this will look at all of the assigned comments that you have across all of your chats, keep it all in one place. In this section, you'll also see this delegated by me section, which allows you to take a look at all of the comments that you have assigned to anybody on your team across all locations. Now you may have noticed something I skipped over when we assigned that message to myself and looked at it in our sidebar, which is the option to create a task. This is feature 2, and again, one of my team's favorite features that allows us to move with speed while ensuring that we do have all of our task accountability properly documented. Now, to demonstrate our AI task creation, going to use a message that is a little bit more actionable. In this message, I tagged Charles and mentioned that I don't believe we actually submitted one of these campaigns for approval. I can hover over any message, and along this floating sidebar that pops up, you'll see this purple checkbox that gives me the option to create a task. When I select that, I am first going to select a list where this task is going to live. And you'll see a few of these lists pop up. You'll also see the option to let the AI decide. We're going to go ahead and go with that option. Now, often it's going to read where this chat is actually located and create the task in a list that is connected to this, but it's also going to have the context about the thread to inform where this task is going to be created. And now that that has been created, you can see that it's popped up right over this message to submit campaign approval for SBH. When we open it up, in the description, we have a summary, as well as the specific action items and some of the images that I included in my original message. It also has a link to the original message to make sure that anybody that is looking at this task can go back to the point of origin that this message was born from, or that this task was born from, so that they can see all of the context beyond the summary if they need it. One other element of this that's super helpful. When you are in the task that was automatically created from a message within chat, you'll see that within the activity, on the comments of that task, the very first comment is going to be a link to the chat message that this task was created from. And when you hit view message, the task details will remain in the sidebar while you are looking at the message, so that if and as you want to be able to see some of the surrounding context of that message as well, if there were other threads, you can do so while also maintaining context of the task. This is especially helpful in times where maybe the original assignee that is created or that was set is not the person that needs to be working on something. So oftentimes I will gather more context in the rest of the thread and then realize we actually want to assign this to somebody else, or maybe change the location, and you have the option of doing that. And this ties in to our third feature, which is our relationships. Now, you've already seen this at play, but it is good to know that you don't have to create a task from a message to connect a message to a task. For example, if I have this message here and there is already an existing task that this message is relevant to, or that is relevant to this message, if I hit the 3 dots on the hover and go to add relationship, I can search for any task across my entire workspace and go ahead and connect that task to this comment or chat message as well. I'll get this two-way arrow icon that shows that there's a relationship, and when I click in, I can view all of the related tasks that have a relationship and tap into them if I want more detail. This is especially helpful if a new thread is created that overlaps with a previously existing task, because when you open that task up after creating the relationship, in the activity panel on the sidebar, you and everyone that looks at this task will be able to see when a thread was linked to this task. So if someone was last working on this, say 2 days ago, but yesterday the team started a new thread that was relevant to this task, we can go ahead and link it so that if someone starts continuing to work on it today, they'll see this new topic of conversation and they'll be able to include that context as they continue working on this task. These ClickUp Chat features have completely changed my team's ability to ensure that nothing is slipping through the cracks. And now that you know how to use them, do not waste any time. Go assign your first comment and watch how you go from that conversation to completed work more often, all while having to remember even less.